And welcome back to Getting Better at Things. We're going to do some calculations. We're going to calculate the age of each of the employees. Fortunately for us, the fake data also came with a birth date. Let's include it into our data set. So we have our source, we have a few lines of data in there, from 300. Let's refresh the preview. It should also retrieve a birth date now. Let's see. Yes, there it is, birth date. Then we merged some columns, we filtered some rows, we removed columns. In this case, we're going to retrieve the birth date. There it is. See how easy it is? You can just obtain an extra column by clicking that little wheel at remove. That's why you use that particular method to remove columns. I'm going to select a column. I'm going to convert it to a date. There. Insert. That's our query. It contains not only the employee name, their phone, their email, their employee ID, it also has their birth date. So now what I can do is calculate their age. Very easy to do. I just click on that column and I'm going to go to add column, and on the date I'm going to type age. Now it does that in a very peculiar way. It calls it duration. Yeah, on the home tab we can see that duration. I'm going to call it a decimal number because that will be more useful. And I'm now going to convert that column. I'm going to add a column, a custom column. I'm going to take that age and divide it by 365.25 there, and that's the actual age. The other one is a rather big number that we can't really use for our purposes. The other column can go, and I'll call it age so we know what we're talking about. Now the number has a number of decimals behind it. I don't want that, so I'm going to go to transform and choose rounding. I'm going to round that down. The age is rounded down there. Cool. Now next I'm going to add an age group column. So I'm going to add a column from examples, from selection. One of my favorite functionalities of PowerQuery is the from examples, and I'll call this one 30 to 39. PowerQuery detects what I want to do and tries to mimic, and it didn't do it quite right. So I'm going to correct him one time. It's going to be 50 to 59. And then he gets it right, and the grouping is now done. I can confirm with OK. And now I have the age group added to my query. I can now close and load and start using that new column in my further work. Right, that's enough for this session. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see each other next time. Cheers.